Oh, this is a really difficult question because there are different players, type of players, and of course I have to say Puyol because he was a beast. He was just a monster. And actually, my father is Spanish, so I always felt like I'm going to the pitch, saying hello to these guys because, of course, I'm half Spanish and we are brothers. So I went to the pitch.
Mario Gomez, ex-football star, the former football star, and here is just providing the overview about the tonight's game, the match between Real Madrid versus Manchester City at Etihad Stadium, the UEFA Champions League, the first leg game, the game of the decision, and of course Manchester City is in need of UEFA Champions League this season, as well as Real Madrid Football Club young players also are in need of this UEFA Champions League title so as to add something and value on their life. And in fact, here Mario Gomez says it's a time now to think about UEFA Champions League, and today's match may also be the decisive match. In fact, only because he knows what is the quality of these two teams. As Mario Gomez says, they have been finding a way to go to Qatar for the final of the UEFA Champions League, and it's going to be fantastic, special and impressive one. For sure, he knows what is the quality of the Real Madrid Football Club. He also knows what is the quality of the Manchester City Football Club. As he used to say that it's going to be the hard game. It's going to be a fantastic game. Mario Gomez, ex-football star, one among those incredible football star who played in so many clubs in the world, football clubs in the world. And here he is just providing his overview and approaches towards today's match. A fantastic game and a wonderful match. And of course, he is just waiting for the 90 minutes of today's game at Santiago Bernabeu. And this is just what is seen here.